Okay, this is a quick one back to back. I'm still playing, but you would never know that. So, we got a low voltage solar array, and I feel like this time I'll try and make an automatic tree farm. And someone said, I should probably look this up. I should make a turtle. With a few saplings and a few logs. Plant one sapling in front of it to get it started and have it code like this. It loops constantly searching for a log in front of it. It needs to always have one log in it to do a compare function. How do you code turtles in this game? I've never tried that before. I mean, I have a degree in software engineering, but I've never tried coding a turtle. But yeah. But it's a mining turtle, right? What does it transpose to do? Someone said a black hole band suck, but no. Okay, is there anything? Isn't there like an obsidian pipe thing? Transport pipe? What does that do? Obsidian transport pipe. Pipe ticket. No, I don't think that's it. But let's try and make mine turtle. Turtle. Computer. Oh, that's simple. Cobblestone. I don't have any cobblestone on me, but you know where I have cobblestone? Down here, buddy. Down here. This is kind of exciting, actually. I've never tried this before. Okay, so we need 7. And a glass pane. Nice. And then we need redstone. And well, it's just iron. We have iron. Nice. Okay, chest. Okay. Nice. So the redstone. There you go. It's like this, right? Yeah. And then, of course, I just made the stone. I used the cobblestone row. It's not stone though. It's this one, right? Yeah, it is. Okay, so how does this work? Now I'll put it down. Can I get it back? Okay, nice. Did someone say I can write programs? I can. Okay. How do I make code for a turtle? How to code turtle? Turtle. Take it. Yeah, okay, I get you. Okay, so I can write turtle forward, I guess. Can I run it here? Or do I need to... No such program. How do I make a program? I don't really get this. How to make a turtle program? 15. I'm not gonna watch your 15-minute name. To make a computercraft turtle program, right-click the place turtle and to use edit program name, edit my right Lua code. So if I just do, can I do new program? How do I, no? Edit. Okay, I'll just try to do that then. Edit. Test program. Oh, okay, wow. Turtle.forward and turtle print mate. No, I don't have a printer. Let's just do this, okay? Save. Okay. How do I exit this then? Oh, maybe this one. So programs. Should it be in here now? No. Oh, maybe. Okay, so how do I run it then? I just type my test program. Attempt to call nil. Oh, what the hell? Huh. I should probably look this up at some point. Because right now it's just the Google AI overview, and it might just be lying to me. You never know. Test program. Attempt to call nil. Okay. But that probably just means the function doesn't exist, right? Or did I mistype it maybe? Test program. Turtle.forward. Does it need maybe just Tekkit Classic example turtle program. Place down. Why would it return nil though? Turtle.for. Because I cannot spell. How do I edit this again? Hello? Yeah, I mistyped. That's not how you spell forward, guys. Oh, stop. And then we say save and exit. And then we do test program. It moved right? It wasn't here. It was here before. Oh wow. Okay. Let me just sleep for a sec. Okay, I see something we can do here now. So I think we need. Yeah, mining turtle. I can just tell by the wiki now. We need to make a mining turtle. Let me just drop all this shit off. That's okay. Sorry my language, but that's fucking cool. Honestly, I've never tried this before. But I should be able to do this, right? So turtle. Yeah, nice. And it says something about fuel, but I feel like fuel is something it needs for the newer versions, not this version. So this might be kind of OP, but okay. Can it place blocks? From the first available slot, and does it have a compare function? It does have a compare function. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, this is interesting. So let's just make a test. I'll cut down all of these trees, I think. So I can just make my own fake tree. Da -da 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 -da. So let's think about this. If I have this, which one is the front? I think this is the front, right? Yeah. And I make this very cool fake tree. Just make it free tall right now. And my program, what would I do? I would do... I should probably give it a sapling as well. Can we give a sapling anywhere? Oh, I'll just take this one. Still going for the start. So it needs to plant this sapling, and then we're doing the compare. I don't. Can we make loops in this? I feel like you should be able to make loops. Like, can you do if statements, like if or while or whatever? Lua loop, because it's just Lua, right? Yeah, while loop. I want to make it make it just dig all the time right now. Yeah, let's try that. Edit test program. Oh, I guess you should watch out because it removes it when you delete the thing. Okay, so while let's just do while true, I guess. Is it like this, or is it like... I hope this works. And then you do how do I... Does it use tabs? Because I can't really do a tab right now. Let's just try. End. So let's just say turtle dig. Save. Exit. And do test program. So it picked it up, but if I place something in front of it... Yeah. Okay, cool. So how do I stop it now? Because it's just gonna run forever. Can you stop it? Like Control C? Exit? No, I feel like I made an endless loop, that's my bad. Can you make a switch for it, maybe? Like, is there a way, if I had a redstone signal and you do, okay, while redstone signal is active, do this, but if it's not, just whatever, then the program ends. Maybe? I don't know. But this is definitely something. Can it place stuff as well? Place, yeah, I can place stuff. Can you place, just try and place this sapling for me, man. Let's make edit test program. Turtle place. And then do control this and control exit. And let's run the test program. It does work, okay. Okay. 9 is bottom right. Okay, you can select the slot, it works, and I think... Okay, let me try something now then. Another test. So if this is in slot Okay, so I'm thinking I'll test if the block in front of it is the same as this one. Can we make it drop stuff as well, by the way? If I want to drop all items in the selected slot. Do I need to fill this up then? Because as soon as it's oh well, we'll test it afterwards. Drop, yeah, no. So let's see if compare, and then after we compare, let's do a dig, if it is that one, if it's the same as the slot one. Let's maybe add a few more of these. And if it's not, oh well, if it is, it should dig. When it has dug it, it will test again if the compare is the same as slot 1, but it's not the same as slot 1 anymore, because this is air and this is not. Then we should place this. And then it'll loop again, it'll test at some point. Oh, okay, this one. Yeah, let's try that. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll try. Edit test program. This is really cool. Wow, okay, so I think we need a while again. While let's just do while true again. While true. If can you just do compare? Turtle.compare, can you do this? And let's say that returns true, right? Oh, I need to do, I think. Do and oh, you can press delete in this. Okay. I feel like I should make probably text documents because it's gonna be destroyed again afterwards. Oh well. If turtle compare, then turtle dot dig. Does this take else? I'll say okay. So it's not the. I don't know if that's. I'm not really used to this type of. Let me just look it up. Lua if statement. I don't know if I'm writing this correctly. If it doesn't use these, okay. So just like this, maybe. If and then you do okay. Oh, what if you can use else if it's similar? Okay. Okay, let's try this. So if then and then you do turtle deck else and yeah, let's just do one more. What should it do here? It should what should it do here? It should place, no, select, I think. Turtle select slot, yeah, turtle dot select slot number 2. And it's just to do something else. Sorry, my microphone just died. Turtle.dig. No, place, sorry. So it should place a sapling now, right? And then it should go back to slot number 1, please. Turtle select slot 1. And then it'll go back to comparing. So at some point when this is it's gonna go back to 3, right? Let me try this. I'm gonna give some few more saplings because I just don't want it to run out right now. And then we also need to think about it has to go out and stuff, but right now let's just try this. Oh, it's full. Good to see. Yeah. So one more sapling in it, and then maybe it'll check. Save, yes. Select again, and then go back to comparing on the first slot again. Let's see if this works. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Control, exit, and then do test program. And expected to close while at line 1. What? Wasn't that how you did in a while loop? No? Or maybe it's because I'm missing another end, I think. Because this F is for end. So maybe another end? Is that how it works? I'm sorry, I've never tried this programming language before. Test program. Okay. But why is it switching around? Okay, how does this compare method work? Because I was thinking it was just... Oh wait, no mind, I'm stupid. If it's not... Okay, so it works, but my logic is wrong. Can I just steal this and put it back, please? Yeah, it works. I'm just stupid. My logic doesn't work. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. But well, yeah, I'll have to destroy it now. Is there a way to make like a saver program and disk something, right? Tekkit turtle disk save program to disk or something. A disk drive. Let's try and make this disk drive thing. I think this one. Okay, it's very cheap actually. Why is it so cheap, all this stuff? Interesting. Yeah, so we need we have stone. We need 2 more. 2 more. And we should probably hook this up as well to this one at some point, because we're just it doesn't really seem fair how much power we have here compared to there, but and you go back to dust. Okay. So I want to say we do. And then a disk, floppy disk maybe? Is it just a floppy disk? Yeah, it's this one. Okay, paper. Luckily, I got this sugarcane 100 years ago, so that's awesome. Okay, let's try and make now. And we need to figure out this logic, because it wasn't right, but... how do I... From the computer to computer ISP, you can mass produce... How do I do that? Interesting. How do I save? Let's just try and save something to this. I don't know where it's supposed to be. It's just next to it, I guess. Connected to computer or turtle can be used to read or write on floppy disk or play music discs. Yeah, I don't need that. How do I save to a floppy disk? Okay, let's try edit test program, and this one is just gonna turtle.dic because I don't know what else to put right now. And boom, and exit, and then programs. What can I do? Test program, nice. Can I copy it to the other one maybe? Copy test program. Copy program from turtle to disk. Tekkit. Copy your program name disk. Okay, let's try that. Copy test program disk. Okay. So I'm assuming this, yeah, it says like :1 on it now. Maybe that's like, it means something. So if I, and what about copying it back then? From disk to turtle. It's just me doing Google research right now, sorry. Copy disk program name. And a program name. Okay, let's try then. So if I do this, right now it shouldn't, if I do programs. Yeah, there's no test program. If I just type test program, it's like, what is test program? No test program. Okay. I put it back in this, and I do copy test disk / test program, I think. And I'll call it test program as well. Okay, and now programs. It doesn't say it here, does it? Let's just try test program. It worked though. It didn't say it, but it worked. Okay, that's cool. So we can save it now. That's really, really cool. Very nice. What if I override it? How does that work? So if I do edit test program, and I now do like turtle.forward instead. And exit. And then I do copy test program. Disk. File exists. But is it updated or do I have to update it? Okay, let's try and destroy it again. Because now it should just be like, oh, I don't know what test program is. Okay, but what if I copy disk / test program? program. And then do the test program. Yeah, it didn't update. How do I update the program? Tekkit update disk program. Because there was a copy and there was a move, but I don't know. Update existing program. No, I'm not. Tekkit computer craft. I'm not using ChatGPT right now, which I think is kind of insane. Update disk existing program. Copy, delete, edit, save? Maybe save? Yeah, I should probably have saved it then. No? No, that's not right. Yeah, edit program. Save changes. I did that last time. But I did save it though. Hmm. Okay, so maybe instead of copying it, okay, I think I have an idea now. Cause I'm, okay, let's destroy this again. Okay, let's just sleep. But I feel like if I, instead of copying it, and I just do edit this existing file in this directory, then it'll, because I think I copied the file, and then I changed the copy, but I didn't change the existing file on the floppy disk. That's what I'm trying to say. If that makes sense, I guess. If that makes sense. It's nice to see this is just working now, by the way. So what I was thinking is maybe we should do... Well... I don't know. Should I? Can I run all the way from here to there? Or is that kind of stupid? What if I were to do this? I'm getting sidetracked. I just feel like I'm wasting power right now. That's what I'm trying to get at. I'm thinking if I do this, how much would I need to get over there? A lot. Which is why I'm trying to make this thing. Cover, any cover? Please say I feel like I made so much cover, didn't I? I guess not. Okay, we can look at that afterwards, I guess. We can look at that afterwards. Do this. It's kind of fun, like, having this to, it's just working now, and I don't need to think about it, so I can just focus on other stuff, like my little computer program. Oh well, what was I saying? Yeah, we try and edit the program from the directory instead. Edit, and then do disk slash, yeah, edit disk slash test program. Okay. And then do turtle.board instead. Right. Control, save, control, exit, and then we do... Can I just do a disk slash test program for this? Of course I want to copy it later, but I can. Very nice. And then it should be the same now still, right? Disk slash test program. Okay, I think I get it now. Okay, that's pretty cool. But the thing is the same thing, yeah. We need to make logic that checks if this is robotry. or if it's how tall could it be as well? Because like 1, 2, 3, and then I feel like it should. I don't know if it can just move up. I think it has to destroy this as well. So look up, destroy up. Is there destroy up? Is that a thing? Dig? Yeah, dig up. Okay, so let's say it'll do it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 8 just to be sure, because I feel like 7 is the tallest I've seen yet. Maybe not actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just do 10. So go 10 up on the way, sort of like destroy, place the sapling, move up. Yeah, I know why my logic went wrong now. Okay, so move up. Can you extract stuff from this as well? Extract stuff from mine turtle. No, it's just in the slots. Yeah, drop. Let's not focus on it right now. So move up. Okay, so it sees the. I need to think about it. It sees this. It says, "Oh, this is a rubber tree. I need to destroy this. Destroy this. Place the sapling. Move up. I think we should just do like a small loop where for 10 or for whatever, it should dig up first, and then it moves up, then it destroys this one, and then again dig up, move up, destroy, whatever, and then when we reach all the way up, then we go down to our initial y value, which was this one, and then I'll just do the compare thing again. Okay, I think I have the logic now, at least in my head. Writing it though, I'll probably mess it up, but should be fun. Should be fun. Let's just do. I want to do more of the cables. I want to help the. I want to help this guy out. I had one more here. Did we have any? We do have this. How about? Yeah. And I need some more copper. And I feel like there should be some items that you should be able to pick up stuff, like a void hopper thing, but this is a void ring. I'm not really. This is not. I'm not doing this shit, right? Isn't there like a pipe that does that? Take it, like pick up nearby items. Black hole band? No, I'm not using that. What does a transposer do? I don't know what a transposer does. Obsidian, yeah, it does say something about obsidian pipes. I need to try that out at some point. But let's just make the logic first. Let's make the logic first. Right after I finish my piping here, or my wiring. This should be enough, right? It's not enough. I can already tell it's not enough. It's nowhere. Oh, it's close. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5. But do I have any more rubber though? I don't think I do. Oh my god. This is why I need to make this automatic thing, because this is just... thing is, I think if we make it work for one, we can just copy the program to like another setup. Well, we can do that and just make a massive rubber setup. Then hopefully that's possible. Yeah, I have no rubber left. So you better get to work, man. Oh well, let's go back to the program just for a second. And make the start of it. So I feel like we do a while loop. While can I do like maybe no, not do that? Let's just do one. So edit disk / test program, and the test program is going to be the main program now. So deal with it. So while true, do an end. Nice. So let's do if turtle dot compare, and that's always gonna be the slug we're looking at, right? Yeah. Then we are going to can you do functions? I feel like I need a function here. Then and then we're gonna do one more end here. If it's the same as this one, the rubber wood, then we'll do dick, turtle dick. I did something to my keyboard. Oh wait, never mind. Turtle dick, and we'll do turtle dot. Was it select? Yeah, turtle dot select space 2. Slot 2, sorry. We'll do turtle.select. Let's go back to the first one again. Of course, after I place it. Turtle.place. Was it place? It was place. Yes, and then we should be back on the rubber wood now. After that, I want to say we do for... How do I make a for loop in this? For... What? For init max min value increment. Okay. So for first value 10, max value 10 or 19, increment 1. Okay. So for let's start. Let's say this is 0, right? I equals 0. And the max value should be 10. And we increment by 1. Do and end. I think I have all my do's and ends now. I could really use like a proper code editor for this, I think. Do. The first thing we do is we dig up. Turtle. Dig up. Can we just save this? I think it's nighttime, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go sleep. So we dig up and we go up and then we dig in front of us, I think. Yeah, I think that's right. You. That should be enough, right? But computer craft is kind of broken though, isn't it? Like, did that even help? Like, one bit at all. I mean, must have, because this is not going up as fast now, so, yeah. Is this moving any faster? Maybe a little bit. Not a lot, though. Oh well. Yeah, computer craft is kind of broken, isn't it? Because, like, this isn't costing any, like, fuel or anything. I think the newer versions, it does cost fuel, but it doesn't in this one. Okay, so turtle dig up and turtle... was it move up? Turtle... It's just turtle dot up, okay. And then turtle dot dig again, which should be the block in front of it, I think. And after that I want to go back again. Go back down. Is it the same? Just do another for loop? So after all of this, turtle off. Let's make another for loop for... Can I reuse I? I think I can reuse I. Dun 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 dun. Do an end. I think I have all of them now. Turtle dot down. I think this makes sense. In my head it does. I might have missed something, but let's try. Yeah. Do we want to measure how tall it goes? I can actually calculate that. It says from 0 to 10. It's gonna go up. 0 to 10. Let's do that 9 instead, because I only said I want to go do it like 9 blocks. And if you do this, you should probably make a value, variable that you can, so you don't have these magic values. But it's not a fucking real program. It's just whatever. Exit. So let's try disk.test / test program. Let's just see what it does right now. Please say it's gonna dig all of these blocks and it's gonna place a sapling. That's my hope right now. Fuck. Okay. It's on line 3, right? Is that how I read that? What is wrong? Yeah, I already see why. It's because I did this again. You don't do this. Okay. Save. Exit. Oh, you just go up, that's so nice. And it's gonna go really, really tall, but there's gonna be no blocks. Please just go down again. And then you could just look at this. And if I am so rude to just steal some of these. And I feel like that's working. I feel like that's kind of working, right? Now I just need the saplings and stuff for it. I don't know about collecting stuff right now. Should we try and make those obsidian piping things? I can destroy you now. And it should still be, if I just do disk turtle. No, what's with test program? Sorry. It should do the same thing. My headset keeps just going out. Sorry. Yeah, it does work. Nice. Okay. What do we do now? What do we do? Let's go get the... Get the obsidian, right? So this is not gonna like use the sap on it, but I feel like the idea is that we can get so much wood that we can start getting using the extractor on that instead. Oh, I don't know why it does that, but it does. Yeah, let's go get some obsidian. Let's try and see if that works. I'm not sure it does, but we try. And I feel like it was not that way, it was this way. No? This seems right. I mean, this is not the right lava pool, but it works. This is so slow, why can't I swim? Oh yeah. This is the old way of Minecraft. Swimming so fucking slow. Can you grow rubber trees with bone meal? Because if I can, that would kind of nice to just try it out and see if it works. Let's do this. Okay, so how if I just throw stuff near this, does it pick it up or what? No. Why does people tell me it does? Obsidian pipe. Does it have to maybe face somewhere? Let's maybe try making another pipe, like one of these normal stone pipes. Oh, it did something. But the range is very small. Applying power from an engine to the pipe will increase the range of items it can suck by 1 block. Distance has been increased to roughly 4 blocks for all engines other than redstone engines. But that's like really close, it's just in it. So I need to make some sort of water system maybe? Like all around it? Like an old school cactus farm maybe? I don't know. Interesting. Okay. Very interesting. So the sun is down and I can't. But can I sleep now then? Please let me sleep. Thank you. Okay, wow. Do we have any bones? Can we try this now then? Because I want to see if it works. Like, imagine if it just does. It does work nice. Okay, so you need this, and you need this. I'm gonna give you some more saplings afterwards. How I'm gonna supply more saplings, I don't know. Turtle, no. Disk dot test program. Yeah, it's way too tall, but whatever. It might be a taller tree, you know. Isn't that kind of cool though? I feel like that's really fucking cool. And then, oh well, it grew again. I'm just saying. Why is there? Oh, it's because it ran out of. Okay, that's fair. I feel like that's right. It's just because it ran out of the saplings. Yeah, so I couldn't really do anything about that. Okay, that's really cool though. I need some more saplings and some more wood, I think, to make this like work on its own. But I mean, it kind of does work already now. If I could just get more saplings. That's fucking insane though. Imagine if we just make like, because I can just duplicate the program if I make a lot of these. And I hook it up to a like my system of extracting rubber, and then suddenly I just have so much rubber, more than I can ever use. Could be interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I feel like that is gonna be it for now then. It's about an hour now, so it is about that time. Unless there's something last minute I want to do. I don't know what that would be, but let's think of something to do for 1 second here. Let's see what we have in this, and we can conclude that we need more storage. So let's make a diamond chest. This one. You're not going to show me the crafting recipe? Wow, that's so rough. But I feel like I know it already. It's gonna be an iron chest, which is from... It's wood. Surrounded by iron. And then we make a gold chest. And these are probably as big as these ones, right? No, it's even bigger. Okay, maybe we don't need a diamond one then. Because I don't have that many diamonds. Please just say it's not something like this. It's not like this, right? No. What? How do you make one then? Diamond chest. Take it. It's 2 diamonds and glass. Okay. Strange that it's not showing up though. Glass all around, and the... How do you make the glass chest though? It's really laggy, but how do you make that one? Glass... Isn't it like glass chest? Glass chest? No. Chest. Crystal chest, yeah. Crystal chest, Tekkit Classic. It's just glass around it, okay. I'm gonna do that. Nice, and it should be... It says it's the same as 4... No, same as 2 double chests. So... Let's go for that. Can I destroy... Let's do this and make a wooden pipe. And a redstone engine, I think, right? Redstone engine. Wood. I feel like I do this. We had this, and glass, and wood. Yep, we got it. Spin me out here. Boom, boom, boom. Where's my glass? It's here. I still need the wooden pipe. The wooden pipe. It's insane how you can, like... Wow, okay, never mind. And we have a torch. And the pipe. So now our storage for the quarry should be even bigger. Because I'm gonna extract all the stuff. It annoys me. There you go. And I'm gonna add a wooden pipe. No. Okay, so please keep this right. You can make a wrench from something, which works with these. This one, I think. I'm gonna do it's stone. Yeah, stone gear. Let's try that. And then you can sort of edit them. So stone gear is these and stone. And then it was like this, right? Very cheap actually. And I feel like these don't have durability, so it should be nice. Can I... Okay. I guess you cannot do that then. How did I place this? Oh, like this. Okay, I don't think it's actually doing anything, but it's just kind of annoying to look at for me, but fair enough. So it's gonna take all this stuff and put it in here, so we have like a buffer. This is gonna be full at some point. Oh, isn't there something about when this is full, is it still gonna pipe? Yeah, whatever. I don't care. We'll probably notice that at some point. But yeah. Let me just do one final thing here before I shut down. I'm going to plant a tree. Oops. Yeah, so you see this is still up here though. We're probably gonna make like a big water collection system. Also this one. And I'm gonna give you some more of these. Nice. Yeah. I think that's it. That's it for me.